Hello and a very warm welcome to Barton Cottage. The property here is exquisite. It's a 4-bedroom home with a most amazing garden, and I can't wait to show you more of the characteristics of this wonderful residence. So let's explore it together. So here we are inside the property, and my favourite room is this wonderful spacious lounge. It's a great sociable space, and it's dominated by this wonderful traditional fireplace with its gloam oven and its inset fire. Really does warm and create the perfect ambience. And as we go through the lounge, we naturally move into the conservatory, which is clearly a lovely light and airy space in which to relax and enjoy this fantastic outlook over these beautiful gardens with all the colour on display and the natural wildlife that goes with it. The grounds backing onto open countryside as well, really making part of this lifestyle so wonderful when living here. So let's summarise what is an outstanding home with 4 bedrooms, lovely kitchen, a lounge, conservatory, and just a wonderful lifestyle on offer. For me, outside in the garden, one of the key features is this wonderful bubbling stream, creating a perfect soundtrack whilst relaxing and enjoying the outside space. Just absolutely outstanding. So if you'd like more information on Barton Cottage, please call Fine & Country now on 01566 771919. We'd love to tell you more.